Welcome to Review Lab. The best cheese balls is probably one of the most iconic and beloved snacks in the canned snack aisle, offering a unique and satisfying crunch with a rich, cheesy flavor that has stood the test of time, making them a go-to choice for parties, movie nights, or just a quick, savory indulgence that always hits the spot. Number 5. Planters Deluxe Lightly Salted Cashews. Introducing Planters Deluxe Lightly Salted Cashews, the perfect snack for any occasion. Enjoy the rich, satisfying crunch of premium cashews, lightly seasoned with sea salt. Planning a party? These cashews are an ideal choice for your guests. Their delicious flavor and satisfying texture make them a crowd pleaser. Looking for a snack that fuels you? They offer a good source of plant-based protein. It's a smart choice for a quick energy boost. Need a convenient snack for your busy day? These cashews are perfect for adults on the go. Grab a handful for a satisfying and quick bite. Kids will love these too. They make a wonderful after-school snack. It's a tasty way to refuel after a day of learning. Experience the delightful taste of sea salt. It perfectly complements the natural richness of the cashews. You'll love the balanced flavor. These cashews are kosher certified, ensuring quality and adherence to dietary standards. Enjoy a delicious and wholesome snack. What we like? These are lightly salted cashews, offering a satisfying crunch with a hint of sea salt. They are a great source of plant-based protein, making them a healthy snack option. If you are looking for a snack that is both delicious and provides nutritional benefits, these are a fantastic choice for adults and after-school munchies. What people say. The cheese balls are a classic snack that are always a hit. These cheese balls are perfect for parties and gatherings. The can packaging makes them easy to store and transport. Number 4. Planters Salted Peanuts Cocktail Jar. Introducing Planters Salted Peanuts, the perfect snack for any occasion. Enjoy the classic, satisfying crunch and savory flavor. These salted peanuts are ideal for your next party or as a delightful after-school treat. They're a crowd-pleasing snack that everyone will love. Fuel your day with the natural goodness of plant-based protein. These nuts provide a wholesome and energizing snack option. Expertly roasted in peanut oil, each peanut delivers a rich and delicious taste. They are salted just right for a balanced flavor. This large 2.19 pounds jar ensures you have plenty on hand for all your snacking needs. It's a convenient way to keep your pantry stocked. Our salted peanuts are kosher certified, meeting dietary standards for a wider range of consumers. Enjoy them with confidence. What we like? These cocktail peanuts are roasted in peanut oil for a rich flavor and come in a large jar, perfect for parties. They also provide plant-based protein and are kosher certified. If you need a large quantity of a classic, satisfying snack for gatherings or for keeping your pantry stocked, this bulk jar is ideal. What people say. The cheese balls are a classic snack that many people enjoy. They come in a convenient can, making them easy to store and transport. The taste is often described as cheesy and satisfying. Number 3. Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Introducing the Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Harvest delicious oyster mushrooms in just 10 days. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. Our kit is completely organic and non-GMO, ensuring a pure and natural growing experience. You can enjoy cooking them in your favorite dishes without any worries. Grow your own mushrooms indoors all year round. Simply place the kit near a window with indirect light and mist daily. You'll see beautiful mushrooms sprouting in about a week. It's incredibly easy to grow your own mushrooms. Just open the box, spray daily, and in 10 days, you'll be harvesting your own fresh mushrooms. Each box provides multiple servings and can yield up to 2 crops. This kit makes a wonderful gift for foodies, garden lovers, and eco-conscious friends. It comes in beautiful packaging, ready to be gifted. Plus, it's part of our Grow One Give One campaign. Made in the USA and guaranteed to grow. If you encounter any issues, we'll send you a replacement. Enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own food. What we like? This kit allows you to grow your own gourmet oyster mushrooms indoors within 10 days. It's organic, non-GMO, and guaranteed to grow, making it incredibly easy for anyone to get started. If you're looking for a fun, educational, and rewarding activity that yields delicious results, or a unique gift for a foodie or gardener, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The cheese balls are a great snack. They are crunchy and flavorful. The can packaging keeps them fresh. Number 2. Oots Cheese Balls Barrel. Introducing the Oots Cheese Balls Barrel, a delightful snack perfect for any occasion. Enjoy the irresistible taste of real cheddar cheese in every bite. These popular snacks are baked with authentic cheddar cheese, delivering a rich and satisfying flavor. They are a crowd pleaser for parties and gatherings. Experience the fun and satisfying crunch of these delightfully popular snacks. They are the perfect addition to your next party or family get-together. Enjoy a guilt-free snacking experience. These cheese balls are free from gluten, cholesterol, and trans fat, making them a healthier choice. Our cheese balls are kosher certified, ensuring they meet strict dietary standards. You can trust the quality and preparation of this delicious snack. This large 36.5-ounce barrel ensures you have plenty to share. It's the perfect size for stocking up and enjoying whenever the craving strikes. What we like. These cheese balls are baked with real cheddar cheese, offering a delightful, poppable texture. They are also gluten-free, cholesterol-free, and trans-fat-free, making them a guilt-free indulgence. If you love the taste of cheese and are looking for a crowd-pleasing party snack that caters to dietary restrictions, these are an excellent option. What people say. The cheese balls are delicious and have a great cheesy flavor. The can packaging keeps the cheese balls fresh and prevents them from getting crushed. Number 1. Moonlight Maker's Funny Cheese Kitchen Towels. Add a touch of humor and artisan craftsmanship to your kitchen. These decorative towels feature witty cheese puns, turning everyday meal prep into moments of joy and making them perfect conversation starters. Crafted from recycled cotton and printed with non-toxic ink, these eco-friendly dish towels are safe for food prep and highly absorbent. They align with sustainable living practices, making them a conscious choice for your home. More than just drying tools, these multi-purpose towels can be used for wiping counters, covering dough, or as decorative accents. Their generous size and absorbency adapt to countless household tasks. Looking for a unique housewarming or birthday gift? These towels combine humor, quality, and practicality, making them ideal for bakers, homeowners, or anyone who appreciates clever design. These fun towels become more absorbent with each wash and are designed for easy maintenance. The color-fast printing ensures they maintain their vibrant appearance through regular use. What we like. These decorative kitchen towels feature witty cheese-themed humor and are handmade from sustainable cotton. They are highly absorbent and durable, perfect for everyday use or as a charming addition to your kitchen decor. If you're searching for a unique housewarming gift, a fun present for a cheese lover, or simply want to add some personality to your kitchen, these towels are a fantastic pick. What people say. The cheese balls are a classic snack, and this brand delivers on that familiar taste and crunchy texture. These are perfect for parties or just a quick snack. The can makes them easy to store and keep fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.